Hello, in this video I want to show you how to check a list of all available Xbox Game Pass games on your PC. And to do this you'll need to click on the Start in your Windows. Now find the Xbox app. If you can't find it here, you might need to download it from Microsoft Store like this. So here you will see the install button. And now if you want to check all of the games for Game Pass, you need to go for a Game Pass tab, like right here. Then find all PC games. And here you can see entire list and a number of them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.